Cangzhou Zhongtuo International Trade Company Limited was established in 2014. It's a professional enterprise engaged in the design, sale, and service of steel sheet roof roll forming machine. Our company is located in Cangzhou City with convenient transportation access. Our factory is Cangzhou Zhongtuo Cold Roll Forming Machinery Company Limited. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. The company firmly believes that all products must meet the international quality standards. Therefore, we focus on purchasing qualified raw materials and ensuring strict internal quality control. Our enterprise's products are widely used in construction engineering field. We can offer qualified products, perfect service, and reasonable price to make satisfied with the customer. To protect customers' interests, products are inspected, tested strictly before shipping. We believe that our products and services will be your best choice. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our company insists on the policy that customer is the supreme, prestige promised, quality guaranteed, professional service. We are looking forward to establishing a long-term business relationship with overseas in the near future based on mutual benefits. If you are interested in our product or our company, please feel free to contact us for more details. We warmly welcome you to visit us, and all your comment and advice is highly appreciated.